Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajashri,
Sir?
clear my board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. That's
Yeah.
fine now.
Now see, this equation is looking like ax minus bx square. So x plus x square plus x square, a plus tan theta, b plus remaining this total term. So did you see this type of equation in mathematics? Hello, speak everyone, anyone.
Sir, ninth is not there.
So it is called equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. So this path is parabola path. So this path is parabola. It is not curved path, it is parabola path. Because whatever the equation we got, that equation we compared with the parabola equation. So according to that, we got that this path equation is a parabola equation, parabola path equation. Now two-dimensional motion, what is the path of this? What is the name of this path?
Parabola.
Parabola. Parabola path.
So what is parabola?
This path is called parabola. See, if you see, it is a circle, right?
Yes.
If you see, it is straight line, right?
Yes, sir.
It is curved, okay?
Yes.
It is called parabola. This path is called parabola. This path.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Parabola path equation is ax minus bx square. According to that, when I compare this equation, I got that this path is parabola. So this equation is called equation of trajectory or path equation. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how to derive this equation? We have to find displacement along x direction, displacement along y direction. From that we have to get t. That t we have to substitute here. Then you will get the path equation like this. I hope no other doubt that you have still. Srinidhi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Look at this. So this is parabola path. Now look at this. In the diagram we have discussed x-axis, y-axis, parabola path, at this point, means after t seconds, it is the v. So in this direction it is vx, in this direction that is vy. So how much you got vx?
U cos
This.
theta.
Vx is equal to u cos theta only. Vy how much?
U sin
Sin
theta.
theta minus gt.
Minus gt. So v net, v net equal to, means this velocity equal to, this velocity equal to v in the vector form, vx I cap plus vy j cap, because I cap is the unit vector along x direction, j cap is the unit vector along y direction. So like this. So v u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta minus gt j cap. This is the net velocity in terms of vector. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This velocity we have given along x direction, along y direction. So what is the net velocity means? We have to add the two velocities, and velocity is a vector quantity. So in terms of vector, we have given u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta minus gt j cap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If they ask magnitude, what will you do? If they ask magnitude, what will you do?
Root of
Root
over r
of
square
Very
plus
nice.
t square
Root-
plus 2pq
So-
cos theta.
Yeah, here v is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. When they have given v net equal to root over x square plus y square. Only two things are there. Okay. So like that, if you write here u cos theta whole square plus u sin theta minus gt whole square. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Again, if you resolve this, tell me what I have to write here. What can I write?
U square cos square theta.
U square cos square theta plus, how can I write?
U square
U square
sin
sin
square theta.
theta
U square sin square theta plus
G square
t square t
G
square
square t square minus
2g.
2u sin theta g.
2 sin theta into gt. Like that we can write. From this I can take u square common, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, u square common, if I take v net, it is the magnitude, no direction form, magnitude form, equal to root over u square, if I take common, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus g square t square minus 2u sin theta into gt. So root over sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1.
1.
So u square plus g square t square minus 2u sin theta into gt. That's what. It is the magnitude form velocity. It is the vector form of velocity, vector form. It is magnitude form. So if you want direction, tan theta, tell me tan theta equal to how much from this? From this tan theta, how can we say? It is
Theta by cos theta.
no, it is Vy. So it is also Vy, right? It is Vy. So it is also Vy only, right? Parallel sides.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So tan theta is equal to Vy by Vx. Opposite side by adjacent side.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So Vy how much? Vy how much?
U sin theta minus gt.
U sin theta minus gt by Vx.
U cos theta.
That's all. It is the direction. Means angle if they ask. Direction. Write down. That's what. Path equation. Velocity in the vector form. Velocity in the magnitude form. And direction of velocity. Tan theta. So path
So-
equation. Tell me, ma.
So can you tilt the camera towards right?
Clear?
Yes.
Look at this. So till now what we have discussed, y-axis, x-axis. See, it is called what?
Maximum height.
What is maximum height?
The maximum
Distance
the
vertical
height
upwards.
which body
The
can
maximum vertical distance covered by the body, right? Right? H max.
Yes, sir.
H max means maximum vertical distance covered by the body. That is only maximum height, right? The maximum vertical distance covered by the body. Okay, at maximum height, at h max, what is the Vy? At h max, what is the Vy?
0.
0, because at maximum height, vertical velocity is 0. Once a particle reach here, V is the direction, horizontal direction velocity will be there, vertical direction will become 0. What is the horizontal direction velocity?
U cos theta.
Why? Because it won't change. U cos theta, it won't change the entire journey of this parabola. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to represent one more, that is I'm taking R. This R is nothing but range. What is range? You can say now happily. You know vertical distance traveled by the body, maximum vertical distance travel. So what is the range now? Can you say what is range? By using this definition, similarly, can you say this?
The maximum horizontal distance traveled.
Yes, the maximum horizontal distance covered by the body. The maximum horizontal distance covered by the body is called range. Range. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
One more point can occur, that is time of flight. Time of flight means
Total time taken.
body spent in the air. Okay, total time body spent in the air, that is called time of flight. Understand clearly? How much time after projection reaching to projectile point, projection point, how much time it will spend in the air, that is called time of flight. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So time of, here is time of flight is t. Here how much it will become? T by 2. From here to here is total time of flight, right?
Yes, sir.
To reach maximum height, T by 2 only.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Totally
No, sir.
maximum height T by 2 only, no? Half of the time it will reach here. Remaining half of the time it will reach here. So total time will become T. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That points write down. What is time of flight? Tell me what is time of flight?
The time taken to spend in air.
Yes. The time taken by the body to spend in air.
Sir, is there motion in 3D?
No, no, no. Mostly in 2D only, ma.
No, apart from the syllabus.
No, no, no. Mostly in 3D, if you want to imagine, like it is beyond our imagination. We can't imagine. Motion in 3D it is there, but we can't imagine. Even 2D also so difficult to imagine. You just know you have by picture we can say 2D, but same diagram same line if I want to draw like this, where I have to draw this line? We can't.
Axis.
Yes, so it's a difficult. 3 dimensions are there, but motion in 3D not there.
Done, sir.
Yeah. What is the path equation? Can you say what is the path equation? Path equation?
Y is equal to tan theta x minus 1 by 2 g x square by u square cos square theta.
It is called path equation. After t seconds, what is the velocity formula in the vector?
U cos theta I cap plus U sin theta minus GT J cap.
What is the tan theta formula?
U sin theta minus GT by U cos theta.
Remember this. Now see. Now what they can ask, time of flight. Okay, from here. Time of flight. Calculate time of flight. Second one, they can ask maximum height. Third one, calculate range. These are important to solve problems. So they will ask these terms. So how to calculate this, we have to see. Time of flight, maximum height, range. They can ask questions from this path equation, or they can ask questions from time of flight, maximum height, and range. So if we want to solve problems basing on this, so definitely we should know the formula. No other chance. Let's see now. Do you know equations of motion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the first equation of motion.
V is equal to U plus A.
Is equals to U plus AP.
So time of flight. So I will take it as a first equation. Say the second equation.
S is equal to UT plus half
plus
AT.
half AT square.
What is the third equation of motion?
V square is equal to U square plus
plus
2A.
2A.
It is my second equation. It is my third equation. So first equation, I will apply for vertical motion. Means always I will speak about the vertical only, vertical components only. Second equation, I will apply for horizontal motion. Means always I will speak about the horizontal components only. Third equation, I will apply for again vertical motion. I will speak about only vertical things. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Just a second.
So what is the second one for?
Second one for horizontal motion. First one for vertical motion. Second for horizontal motion. Third for vertical motion. Okay?
I got disconnected for 2 minutes. So what, after that range and time of flight. So what did you tell?
So after, what is the time of flight formula, maximum height formula, and range formula we have to calculate. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So to calculate that, first equation I written, second equation I written, third equation I written. First equation I am applying for vertical motion. Second equation I am taking for horizontal motion. When I am talking about the horizontal motion, what components I have to, about what components I have to discuss?
U cos theta.
Yes, only horizontal components I should discuss. I should not discuss anything about vertical. Okay, understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vertical, horizontal, vertical, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Now see, I am going to apply for vertical motion. In the vertical motion, I am going to talk about time of flight. So here, time of flight at this point, time of flight, vertical motion. Here not. Here, time of flight means how much. So here I will discuss. Here already there is no vertical direction. Vertical direction 0 here. So I will speak about. In the vertical direction, what is the final velocity?
0.
0. In the vertical direction, what is the initial velocity?
U.
In the vertical direction, what is the initial velocity? Vertical direction, what is the
Yes, sir.
initial?
U sin theta.
U sin theta. Vertical direction, what is the acceleration?
Z
Minus
Rho.
G.
minus G.
What is the time in the vertical direction?
T by
Send this. Minus U sin theta minus G into T by 2. Minus will get cancelled. So 2 if you send 2U sin theta by G, it is called time of flight formula. It is called my time of flight formula. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubt,
Yes.
right? Simply we derived, right? Just I took this equation, I am applying for vertical motion. This equation I will apply for horizontal motion. Sx, Ux, Ax, Vy, Uy, Ay, Sy. I will say Sy. Keep like that. Vertical motion. Why only? Just a second. Just a second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just a second now. Sorry, here horizontal motion I am discussing. So range. Vertical motion I am discussing. So maximum height. So maximum height will be in the vertical direction. Maximum height. Sorry for that. Now S of x, how much? What is the horizontal direction? Horizontal direction, what is the Sx? Horizontal direction, what is the Sx?
R.
R. What is the U?
U cos theta.
U cos
What is T?
T.
T.
What about Ax?
0.
0. That is 0. T means, can I write this?
Yes, sir.
So R equal to U into U, U square sine 2 theta by G. Can I? Because 2 U into U, U square, 2 sine theta into cos theta, I will write sine 2 theta. Since since 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I didn't write in just horizontal direction. I applied sx plus r ux plus u cos theta t plus t, it is 0. I didn't write t place. We know that it is equation 1, so it is equation 2. Something take like, okay, it is equation A, it is equation B. Substitute equation A in B, then you will get this. After u into u square cos theta into 2 sin theta, nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, I will write sin 2 theta. That's all. Okay, clear? It is my range formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come to this formula. We have to apply for,
Vertical motion.
so vertical motion, what is the final velocity? Final velocity and the vertical motion?
0.
0. Initial velocity?
U sin theta.
U sin theta.
So u square sin square theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A plus,
Minus G.
so minus 2 g s plus sy. Sy how much?
H max.
H max. H max. Minus to minus. Okay. So u square sin square theta by 2g equal to h max. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's what. Write down. Time of flight, maximum height, range.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Sir, how is t square equal to t? Could you explain once?
How is t square?
Yeah.
Sorry. Where it is? Here.
Yes, sir.
Here only t, ma. This term will
The
become
at square.
ax is 0, no? Along the x direction, acceleration is 0.
Oh, okay, okay.
So every term will become 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Join with videos. Bhanupriya completed?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi, if you want to get a range formula, so what equation that you will use? And that equation you will apply for which direction?
Horizontal direction.
Which equation?
S is equal to UT.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Yes. S is equal to UT plus half AT square equation. You will apply for what?
Range.
Yes. Horizontal direction, horizontal motion. Okay.
Yes,
When
sir.
you are talking about horizontal motion, you should think about only horizontal components. You should not think other vertical components. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bhanupriya,
Yes, sir.
what is the maximum height formula? So if you want,
V square
okay,
is equal to
yeah.
U square plus 2AS.
Okay, V square minus U square is equal to AS. That you will apply for what?
Maximum height.
So which direction you will apply for? Horizontal motion or vertical motion?
Vertical motion.
You will apply for vertical motion. In that vertical components only you have to substitute. You should not think about the horizontal components. Am I clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me what is range?
The maximum horizontal distance covered by a body.
What is maximum height?
The maximum vertical distance traveled by a body.
Yes. Which in the vertical motion, sorry, in the projectile motion, which component of velocity will change?
Y direction.
So
Vertical
vertical
component.
component will change. What about the horizontal component?
It remains the same.
It remains the same because it won't change. So path equation in the in the projectile motion, what is the path equation that we will get? What is the path equation? Rajeshri,
Sir,
tell me what is the path equation?
so y is equal to tan theta x minus 1 by 2 g x square by u square cos square theta.
U square cos square theta. That is the path equation. It is nothing but a parabola. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the 2D, do you have any doubts in the 2D? So mostly we have completed, mostly. But there are some relations. That relations I'm going to explain now. So one equation I will explain. Remaining you try. If you don't get, we will discuss in the next class. Come on, tell me. Time of flight formula.
2u sin theta
Sin theta by
g.
maximum height formula.
U square sin square theta by 2g.
Range.
U square
sin
sin 2
2
theta by g.
So the board is blur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's not readable.
Now,
No,
Just the same.
Vaibhavi, Navika, no one join with video. Now,
So it's the same.
Yes, sir.
okay. So we will discuss. Rajeshri, can you show your notes? In that, you have to show me relative velocity concept. Yeah, just a second. Yes. Yes. Okay. Bhanupriya,
Yes, sir.
two-dimensional motion introduction.
Just a minute. Sir, should I need should I show it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma. Navika,
Yes, sir.
what is instantaneous speed? Navika, what is instantaneous speed? Deepika,
Yes, sir.
Deepika, can you show what is
So,
yeah,
instantaneous speed means that speed of an object where
yeah.
it is a particular moment in time.
Yes, at a particular instant or at particular place, particular time. Yes.
Sorry, sir, I wasn't able to unmute
Yeah,
myself.
I understood because here I'm seeing there is some network problem even to me also. Yeah. Okay, so these things you have to remember. We will see in the next class. Mostly we have completed even 2D also, but rain umbrella problem, some other competitive level examination problems I will explain to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See you in the
Okay,
next
sir.
class. Yeah. See you in the next class.
Thank you,
You,
sir.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.